My name is Shannon Kita. I'm a sales manager here at Acquirent. Been a sales manager for about 2 years now, coming on 2 years. And prior to that, I was a sales rep here for about a year and a half. The open floor plan, I think, is a blessing and a curse. As a rep, I loved it. I think that you have access to the managers, your colleagues, things like that, and everybody's on the same playing field, so to speak. As a manager, it's interesting because I might be working in on a call doing things and people are coming by, other conversations are happening, people come up to my desk asking for help, things like that. So, but again, I think it's part of what makes Acquirent, and I really enjoy being able to stand from my standing desk and look out and see everyone.